Hi, I'm back. Getting ready to paint this heron here. I took a photo of it, a video. So, gonna transfer this onto there and make it lively. I was doing a sketch and I didn't like it, so I'll be painting over that. This is what we're gonna be doing. Let's get at it. Okay, I have my painting all finished now. I got, this is a bird picture I took when we were out walking. So I have, I called it Humpback Harry. I got some leaves in the front here, but he was kind of in a like down in a gully when I took a photo, and it was darker background. So this is what I came up with. Put some darks and then I layered the greens, and then I have some lighter colors here and on the leaves, but I just wanted the bird to stand out more than the background. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.